In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Moosend automation. Tags are a simple but powerful way to label your contacts based on what they do, so you can segment your audience, personalize messaging, and trigger more relevant experiences. First, log into your Moosend dashboard and head to Automations. If you already have a workflow in place, open it. If not, create a new automation flow so you have a canvas to work with. Inside the workflow editor, decide exactly where you want the tag to be applied. Common points include right after someone submits a form, opens or clicks a specific email, or any other trigger you've defined in your flow. Placing the tag right after a clear action makes your segments accurate and easy to reason about later. When you've found the right spot in the flow, click Add Flow Step. This inserts a new action node at that point in your sequence. In the Select Action dialog, choose Actions and then Select. Then add tags to member. This tells Moosend that when contacts reach this step, the platform should attach one or more tags to their profile. A dialog will open where you'll configure the details. In the Tags field, type the tag you want to assign. If you need to add multiple tags, type each one and press Enter after every tag to confirm it. It helps to use short, clear names you'll recognize later, such as Webinar Registered or Clicked Spring Campaign, and to keep a consistent naming style across your account. You'll also see the Create Member option in this dialog. Choose whether Moosend should automatically create the contact if they don't already exist in your list. Turn this on if the step might be reached by brand new leads, like those coming from a form submission. Leave it off if you only want to tag contacts that are already in your database. When everything looks right, click Save to commit the step. From now on, whenever a contact reaches that point in your automation, Moosend will apply the tag or tags you specified. Placing this step immediately after the relevant trigger keeps your data clean and your segments reliable. That's all there is to it. By thoughtfully adding tags inside your automations, you set yourself up for better segmentation, smarter conditional paths, and clearer reporting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you organize your Moosend workflows with confidence.